Alright, so for those of you that have been following along with the Silver Bullet here, in one of my recent videos I gave this thing a $30 front end makeover which consisted of some headlight tint and a tinted plate cover. And if you saw the before and after shots, it really changed the look of this car. I got one more idea to try, and for me it's free only because I pulled it off a parts car. I'm going to show you what it is. So I pulled this Mach 1 chin spoiler off that SN95 right there. It's got some marks and stuff in it, but I mean, this car ain't perfect anyway. I'll try and smooth those out a bit, and we'll get on here and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I picked up some 8mm bumper clips off Amazon, and I'm just going to determine what size drill bit I need, and then we're going to mark this out and get going. So I'll be honest with you, I've never installed one of these before. I actually watched a YouTube video on it. So there's a hole in the center here. You mark the center on your bumper, drill a hole, line it up. After you've decided where you want it to sit, how far out. So I didn't have a bright colored marker for this, but I've got this Sharpie and I can still see it. So that's good enough. So I've seen quite a few of these installed, and sometimes I don't like the way they come around this corner. Don't know if that can be helped at all, but I'm working on it. So I'm just going to keep making relief cuts until I get it to fit the way I want, if I can. So if you decide this is something you want to do to your car, you can pick one of these up for about $64 US. Me personally, I'm really excited. I love the way this turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.